Good fucking morning. Hair looking fucking crazy. We have just finished our upload of yesterday's video, or like editing all the bullshit, but I'm trying to get a fucking haircut before I leave tomorrow. Like, today's gonna be crazy fucking busy. There's like multiple variables going on today that like my day is planned around. So we're gonna get ready. Oh fuck. We're tired. I'm probably gonna eat some food right now, which is weird. I'm actually like hungry. I guess I've been out for a little bit. Oh, that shit busting. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got for breakfast. And yeah, we also gotta take some more diet water today. It's the second time taking the fun stuff. But our room is still a mess. Oh, dude, there's so much fucking. It's gonna be a long day, but it'll help us not be hungry, so I'm hyped for that. So if you guys are following us on TikTok or on Instagram, you saw that we posted this video of the cream of rice. And when I made it last night, or post-workout, whatever, I made it for the Instagram reel, and I didn't want to eat it, so we just popped it in the fridge, and now we're gonna have it right now. I'm telling you, this shit's busting cold. So we got 50 grams protein, 50 grams carbs. Get shuttled in, because I don't know if we'll be lifting soon. I don't know what the fuck is going on. About to go hit legs. The YLA bodybuilding shorts, just a size large. One movement, all the way out. So like they ride up, it is what it is. Got the hat on. I think getting a haircut is an out. I texted dude. I was like, bro, if you haven't had anyone hit you by now, I'm just gonna run it. I can't just sit here and waste these, 2.5, 3 hours that I have just waiting if I'm gonna get a cut. So just gonna be no cut. I'll shave and everything, clean that up tonight real nice, but we're gonna head to AR, mix up some pre, and fucking hit legs. Now you guys already know, maybe you don't know, maybe you're new here. You can see the legs, right? Boys know how to train legs. It's not gonna be what you guys expect out of the leg day. Like, I'll still train hard, but it's more so keeping the size and keeping the density in our legs. So it's not as crazy. So don't be expecting no off the wall crazy J Lane leg workout. What you twerking with? Yeah! Hey, fuck it,
fuck that hoe, cause she a nut. You ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch. You ain't even one time. Got them out of bed, turn my swag on. Hey. Took a look in the mirror, said what's up.
Let that turn on there, boy. That boy, look at this.
Took a look in the mirror, I said, what's up? Yeah, I'm getting money. Oh, took my swag on. It's my time to turn it up. Yeah, yeah. Put my team on, put my things on.
I'm the wrong one.
Watch out for the camera.
Shit. I didn't hit it yet.
Yeah. I got a question why they hating on me. I got a question why they hating on me. I ain't did nothing to them, but count their money. And put my team on, now my whole clique started rolling some. Yeah.
Hey, Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop. Front paint job, fresh inside. And the outside frame in the trunk one. Hey, it's the Ram man, do it right good.
The night still young. You live by the gun, you gon' die by by the gun. Ain't no handouts for nobody. When I ain't had shit, they ain't offer me nothing. When I'm quiet, I be thinking about killings. A lot of nigga bitch may stay in they feelings. Saving these hoes, this shit here pitiful. All these little bit of bitch in my chillings. Whew. And mama, don't worry, you raised a gangster. I'm a survivor. It hurt me not being able to give you what you want since I was a toddler. Shout out to my pops for all the free game. Everything you ever told me is stuck in my brain. Real OG status ain't like to make a change. Shed the tears right this since so much pain. All the shite, the shit that I've done, blessed not being no chains. Uncle killed me when I was young, mom blessed the boy with the cocaine. Growing up, I ain't have no daddy. My mama played both roles. Been hard on a nigga since I came out the womb. Yeah, the pussy hole. I was taught to trust none. Face your problem, never run. Little bitch, holler, she pregnant. You a little net, that ain't my son. Tryna trap me, know I had a glove. Fuck them feelings slack, I'm a thug. You a little dusty hoe, yeah, the rug. Ayy, and it still fuck love. 2 a.m., the night still young. You live by the gun, you gon' die by the gun. Ain't no handouts for nobody. When I ain't had shit, they ain't offer me nothing. When I'm quiet, I be thinking about killings. A lot of nigga bitch may stay in they feelings.
So that workout that you guys just watched, that was like 35 minutes. Like, we spent too much time jamming in the car, kind of like backed us up. And now it is 12. I came back, I was a little late for a call, hopping on a call. Now I need to eat. Still have not heard anything from the shop, and it's like, oh, dude, it's so trash because it's so inconveniently far. And I feel like you guys are probably like, yo, Jay, stop fucking bitching. But it's pretty frustrating when you spend a lot of money for something and then it's like, bro, what the fuck's going on? But we're about to cook up a meal. I don't know what we're gonna have. Kelvin's on a walk right now. Do I have enough sweet potato for a meal? Hold on, let's weigh this shit out. If I got enough sweet potato for a meal, we're gonna go with some sweet potato. But I don't know. Don't know if I do. I need 8.5 ounces. That's 7.4. Might be in the clear. Honestly, that plus this will be fucking smooth. Alright, we're gonna cook up some sweet potato.
Video on TikTok, YouTube, the nigga with the duct tape, all that, the toilet plunger, all that shit is
kind of, the word today was kind of close to being done, so we're gonna head that way right now. Kel was gonna bring me, he finna supercharge and turbocharge his charger. You could turbocharge it. Yeah, well, Kevin finna have a scat fat. But yeah, so damn! Calvin just shit his pants. Ran into some issues. Hold on, we're about to step outside. So they ran into some issues with having to get rid of some rust. Also, putting up brackets to re-weld and taking it down and then constantly doing that. But what really has me upset is the lack of communication, right? There's a couple things that went wrong. And just like the day finished, the only reason why I know that is because I was bugging the fuck out of Marcel, like, yo, what the fuck is good? So I don't know. It's a little annoying, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. I know they did a really good job, so that's good, like peace of mind wise. So we're gonna head there. We got a troop, and I'm excited to show you guys how it sounds. Oh shit! That boy kept, yeah. Hey man, listen to that motherfucker purr, man. That Mopar. It's so dope. Like, this is, I think, a 2023 Charger. And you guys know, I'd imagine if you guys follow me, you guys probably follow Zay. Oh, it's hot. It's hot in this motherfucker. Goddamn. You guys probably follow Zay. And, like, Zay just recently got a new car. And, like, Eddie might be getting a new car. Shep got a new car. Mitri, damn, I'm not even on me. Mitri got a new car, so it's dope to see like all the homies like eating and like upgrading in life. Like, I think that shit's super dope. Although I think we can get Calvin in a better whip. I think we can get him in the V8, man. I think we can make it happen. But we're gonna head to the shop now, get back, hopefully see my beautiful girlfriend, and then gotta go out to Narnia to get a dress shirt and shit. Or not a dress shirt, to my car wrapped. What the fuck am I talking about? That boy a demon, man. He a monster.
He's a monster. Fuck. It's warm in here, eh? Yeah, that's a lot louder. Bottle of bourbon, and so as you guys saw in the one video, I went and it did that stuff for Marcel. So, you know, obviously time inconvenience, but they did put a lot of work in to this car. I've been watching a lot of the process, lots of hiccups, things that you don't normally expect. And it's the end of the workday, and they still were willing to set up the dyno for me. So I was doing some fishing and figured out, you know, what he likes to drink, and then I got the guys a bottle of bourbon, like little things like that. You know, that cost me. I tipped the lady a lot because she got here super fast, but it cost me like $85. And like, it could have been a smaller act than that. I could have gotten a cheaper thing, and I probably would have got the same reaction. But you could feel after I kind of came around the corner with it hitting, his reaction, and I really should try to film it. But that's one of those things you really like, being in the moment. Like facelift, super surprised. Like, that's something he'll remember forever. And the other thing too is the whole mood. Obviously, the job was done, but like, everyone kind of tired. Everyone had a lot more energy. So just doing little things, like not thinking about yourself, is crazy. Because I ordered a protein shake, a Gatorade Zero, and a Monster earlier, and I was like, fuck, I didn't even order the guys anything. Like, that's a hoe ass move. So I had to get my money back. Alright, so we got 2 poles going. Trying to get the wine for you guys. Is this?
tell you, it's hot. Alright, so some time has passed. We dropped the car off. We're now waiting for an Uber. It is, I believe it's midnight. And we still haven't packed for LA tomorrow. So it's going to be a long day, but car dropped off. Get a little head start. We'll around town and then hopefully pick it up like midweek next week. But catch you guys back at the crib. I am so exhausted. And time, it's 11 at 12:55. We now have to pack, so we're gonna try to get it done in the next 30 minutes or so. I will show you guys the time when we finish. 1:45, and we are pretty much packed. Obviously, I have to pack up the camera. I'll kind of have it out at the airport and whatnot. But did I just turn the TV on? I did just turn the TV on. Had a little complications. It's supposed to be a formal, you know, like they said like suit and tie was preferred. I don't know where the fuck my dress shoes are. And I have like a nice clean pair of just like white shoes that you could still rock with the fit and like dress down some dress pants, but I really don't care that much. And I'm not gonna go buy shoes for this shit. Like Chef went and bought a suit and I'm like, bruh, I don't care. Like it's a Young LA event, like I'm gonna wear Young LA pants. If I had a Young LA dress shirt, I'd wear that. But we still gonna have to get a shirt. But we got everything packed. It's ass. I won't be able to edit this video tonight. It kind of fucks up the rhythm, but it is what it is. I'm going to shower and then catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys as always. It's been real. It's been true. It's your boy Jay Lane, and go chase your motherfucking dreams.